Hey, YouTube. You know who it is? It's me again, PK Porsche Cab, man. PK Networks, man. I'm on the just now again. I'm telling you. Look at the smoke and the fog in the city. Look, you see that? Now I'm gonna try to zoom in and show you the city. How it's foggy, right? But then look over here. You see that smoke pushing? Watch, I'm gonna zoom in over here to the city, right? Look, you see the city over there on fog, right? Then watch, I'm gonna go to the left. Hey, look at that building right there. Look at that building. You see that building pushing that smoke up there? Look at that. Pushing the smoke straight up. Look, you can't get no better than that, man. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. PK Porsche Cab, PK Networks, man. Entrepreneur boss, undercover boss. Look, caught him. Now, look at that building. Look, it even has a fucking flag on there. Now, let's be honest. Who has control of all of the so-called buildings and companies in the world? All the higher-ups, the elites. You guys are over here trying to figure out why it's so smoky in the world. I keep coming out with this content, man. Look, there's an American flag on there to tell you who does it. Who claims the Americas? The white people. You know that. Look at that. Connected all the way up to the sky, just fucking smoking, pushing that fucking smoke out of there. So you guys gotta understand, if you're in a dome and they call it a firmament, like a snow globe, and it fucking pushes, look at the city over there in fog, and think about it. Look, these are all over the world, all over the city. Look at that. And then the coldest part is they play the role, and these guys are actually hooked to buildings like, oh, this is the fucking Amazon, this is the Oh Boy Oberto's where they fucking make that fucking beef jerky and shit, you know, or it's hooked to the back of an AM/PM. Look, this is downtown in the middle of like an Amazon building. Look where the cranes are at that picks up the shit. Look, with an American flag there. Look at that. And look how the smoke just connects to the sky with everything. Y'all go back and check my videos, man. I got so many of these companies, man. And like I said, y'all don't want to talk about it. You keep talking about these people or the elites. Fuck that! It's the white people! Like they said about Fast and the Furious, it's always been Dom. It's always been Toretto and them. Nah, bitch, it's always been the white people, motherfucker! Why you think they're blaming on somebody else with the skin color and all this shit and what they do? Because they know those are the melanated gods that they've been taking the fucking melon from, the melatonin that they've been fucking creating. All of that shit. Do your research, do your history. Look at that. PK Porsche Cab, PK Networks, man. Y'all know why the fog is out here. Look at it. Who owns the companies? Who owns the buildings? It's mostly the white people. Now, like I always tell you, it's not all y'all, but most percentage, 99% of you white people are no good. Only 1%. That's why they say only a few will survive, only a few chosen few. And then that's most of y'all white people. So look at that. What color is the smoke, motherfucker? It's white. You know damn well that's wrong. Ain't no good.